Hey, once again, it's the Halo Maniac 23, and I have just set the subtitles to be on. It will make it easier for you guys to hear to see what's being said if you can't really hear it, because the quality in the videos can sometimes affect more things than just how the video itself comes out. Okay, so subtitling should make it a lot better, and here we go again.
Is an effective way to reach distant enemies at bolts. Simply crouch, then press square to throw your wrench. With the jackpot power-up, you will temporarily earn more bolts and raritanium. These are valuable in the Polaris galaxy and can be traded for bolts. You have acquired raritanium. This valuable resource can be used to upgrade your weapons. Simply go to a weapons vendor and select the Upgrade Weapons option.
Attention, citizens of Kabalia. The Imperial Defense Force reports that a Lumbax has infiltrated the Star Sector. The Empire expects your full cooperation in neutralizing the threat to our security.
Welcome to Criminal's Weapon Shop. Here you can buy ammo, upgrade your...
To access your map, press the select button.
That's on me, you worthless sack of Kurt, you sweat. You were supposed to watch the gel gauge.
Ah, blame the parrot. Always blame the parrot. Is everything all right, sir? Ah, Imperial spies. Hide their bodies. Ah!
Oh, well, excuse my friend. We're just a couple of humble smugglers, unfairly hunted and persecuted wherever we go. Yep, seems the Imperials have shut down the planet's gelatonium plant. They must be, looking for someone.
Well, we're kind of stranded ourselves. Our ship crashed back there.
Aw, calm down. Sell their kidneys.
Stranded, hmm? Well, I'll tell you what, pal, we're gonna make you a deal. You get the gel pumps working, and we'll, procure a vessel for you. Here, you'll need this cylinder.
Attention citizens. This plant has been shut down on the order of Emperor Tachyon. You are trespassing on Imperial property. Operating at 50% efficiency. We must remind you that you are currently defying a direct Imperial decree. Desist efforts.
Well, that's all the time I have for part 3. But try to watch part 4 where the gelatonium plant will be finished and so will the planet. Bye.